So you might be trying to figure out how you can use the Measure app on your iPhone. Now to do this, it's actually very basic. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and find the Measure application. It's usually in the Utilities folder, or you can just get into Spotlight search and just go through and find the Measure app. It looks like this. When you open it up, you'll basically be able to come into this type of application. Now at the bottom, it's going to allow you to go through and basically either get into the Measure portion, or you can get into the level portion. So either you can set this up as a level where you can go through and kind of move it around and you can have it actually like as a level to see if things are leveled or whatnot. But then you can get into the measure option. The measure option will allow you to kind of move things around, like swipe up and down, and you can measure things. So you can set right here, you can kind of, kind of pan around your room a little bit. And then from there, you can kind of see kind of how much space is being taken up with something and X, Y, and Z. So here you can kind of, set it up once you set it up this way, and you can start setting up little parameters. You can click on the plus icon to go ahead and basically, add a measurement. You can take a picture if you want to right here, and then you can go through in the top right and left. You have an undo button and you have a delete button. So it's a pretty basic type of app, but it's really cool, and that's basically how you can go through and use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.